Hello friends. Well, today is the day because I've been to the DevRel roundtable and I was suggested that I try to learn publicly. Basically my question was how to choose between contributing and between studying something and between helping others, and the idea was that I study openly. So let's just do it. So let's start with showing the window. I hope you see it. 1 second. Yeah, I think you should be able to see it now. Yep. And so that's my GitHub account, obviously. And what I want to learn is the Go language. Why? Well, because the Go, so it's a long story, but long story short, Go is a very powerful language. It's used in clouds, it's used in payments, it's used everywhere. It was created at Google, and there's this beautiful repository called Learn Go with Tests. So we can, well, start there, because why not? Let me check. It's my first stream actually, so yeah, it looks like the stream is working. Now let's see. It says that I'm a little bit behind, so it says that there are 6 commits behind the code, so I can sync. I don't use commit and sync fork. And to be honest, friends, the idea is that I will just quickly go through this project. And so the idea is this project is based on QE or QUII, Learn Go with Tests. He's an amazing person, and well, the repository, especially this one, is good. Let me see what else. Oh, okay, this one I don't know, but this one's good because, well, the problem is that often people don't really test code, because first they learn how to code and then they learn how to test and then they don't learn properly, and then and then the problems happen in life, and that hurts, and we don't want to hurt. So maybe, as you know, if you type a dot in, so basically, one moment, we need to go to my repo. Okay, I just clicked on, I already forked it before, and I clicked on this triangle and my repo. Now if I press a dot, I think it should open the Visual Studio Code. So yeah, let me see. And also let me see my second screen. Okay, let me see my second screen, because it would be nice to monitor what's happening. And it looks that I need to bring forwards my camera, so just so we have more fun. Let me see how I do it. So if I turn and make it smaller, much smaller, and remove me. Okay, the code is normally F-shaped, so normally the code is around this area, like F letter. So normally my picture or my video won't really close anything or like block anything. So let me see. Oh, on the stream it actually shows. Oh, it's fine, it's fine. Well, let's see. So it's called Learn Go with Tests, and there's Git book, whatever it means. Let's see actually what does it mean. Yeah, there's this book. It's good. This stuff is really good, friends. Now, yeah, obviously we can help and sponsor. Oh, by the way, those who know languages, um, that's this project is really for you. For example, you know Ukrainian, so well, you can just translate this project into Ukrainian, like really, or any other language, because there are only few languages down there. So let me see, where is the project? So here we still need to press dot. My mistake, I shouldn't have switched. And let me check one thing. And yeah, sorry, there's a small, I don't think I need to check, but it should be fine. Okay, just a present from a friend. But I shouldn't have distracted. I'm very sorry. Distractions are a problem for me. Now, let's see. So, Go fundamentals. Install Go. Okay, that's we've done. So I think if I do, I'm not sure how to run on this thing. I've never done it because this one is all in browser, right? So how do we? This is a different Go. That's not this one. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. So basically what it says is that it's not possible to obviously run in it's not possible to run into the web browser. That's interesting because this run and debug button like okay, reopen in on the desktop. And we are opening okay, and we're installing some plugin, and now hopefully we can let me switch the window to non-docker webs non-docker. Is it this one? Yeah, that's the one. So okay, good. Now let's see what I can do. So now first of all we need to update the project, right? Second, we need to check what was there. So to be honest, I would probably even like reset everything. How could I do it? From stash push. Discard all changes. Okay, so this stuff reload is required, so but we are not going to use Docker or dev containers at the moment. Okay, so yeah, that looks like a very tasty stuff, but that will be much later. Now let's see what we can do in what we can do in this tutorial. So on the README they say, oh, is there a way to make the README look nice like this? No. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, that's actually a nice button. That's a shame. I'm not sure if we have it in IntelliJ, but here it looks beautiful. Yeah, so we can use preview, and we can, so there's this setup thing. So obviously, as you can see, we are already in Control Shift and then this thing, right? Interesting. That's interesting. Okay, we'll just do that. Okay. Okay. Okay, I got. I was typing the wrong key, I think. So if I go here, if I do that, yeah. So we can hide. Control Shift and comma. It's open. Nice. It's really nice to have everything in one screen. So second screen right now I'm using for monitoring the stuff, and this screen I'm using to, well, to do stuff. So let's see. So we're here obviously, and go. Interesting. In Java it would be Go version, Go dash version. Oh, I mean Java version, but here it would be Go version. Oh, good stuff. Let's go. I don't remember the Windows command for Go, but probably in the properties. Probably in the properties we have it. File, preferences, settings, Go. Okay, here you are. That's not the runner, right? Configuration. Yeah, but how do we control Go version? That's interesting, but well. Okay, that's some JSON file which has been added, I guess, automatically. Okay, I don't mind. Let's see. So this one is Control Shift G. Control Shift G. No, I want to minimize it. View appearance full screen. Now, what was this appearance about? Control K and Z. Okay, Z. Okay, I see. Okay. Which other views are here? Yeah, I understand I'm kind of spending time, but no, thinking no, I don't want centered layout, doesn't look nice at all. Okay, Control KZ, that's good. That's panel, and also this one is panel, and sidebar is views. Okay, yeah, good. So Control B, Control J. That's good. That's I love the stuff. Now let's preview the README. So in the README, we are speaking about install Go. Okay, and we went here, and obviously we have. Let's see. So we're talking about modules. That only Control B. So we're talking about this stuff. So Control Shift E. Okay, so you see Explorer, Find. It's all like Control Shift F is Find. Control Shift E is Explorer. So this example is for the very first, for the Hello World. So in the Hello World, okay, we have Go. I'm just thinking about this Go mod from Go mod. Okay. I don't see Go mod. Where can it be? Is it this one? Yeah, this is the one. Let's see what's this inside. Okay, I would rather not click something I don't fully understand. But that's nice. I mean, just look at this stuff. So there's something to clean up. Go mod this, and basically what it says that the name of the module. I would assume it's something like packages in Java, and then it describes like dependencies, which is also really cool. Now let me see. So back to our thing, this one, right? Interesting. How do we switch between tabs? That would be nice to know. Is it like Control 1? No, it's definitely not that. Oh, let me quickly Google. Google will save the world, at least today. So, Visual Studio. Tab shortcut. Oh, okay. So Control Tab apparently. Oh, and Control Shift Tab is back. Oh, I love this stuff. Okay. Yeah. So that's preview. And Control B is closing this stuff. Nice. Look, guys, I didn't expect to say it, friends, but I probably like this idea. I mean, I thought it would be IntelliJ fun, but well, this one's not bad at all. Just let me get a glass of water. Thank you. Okay, let's see. So we had this install thing. It is actually here. So obviously he already did it. So The reason I'm doing it this way is that I really do not want to code at all, because what I actually want is to work on like real projects, but I would rather try to understand this stuff and quickly go through everything, I don't know, in a week or something. Maybe we'll do some coding, but mostly I will be looking and like checking how everything works and does it make sense or not. So this one, Control J, so let's clean. So they say that we can do that. Why on earth? Have I done this? Yeah, small mistake. Anyway, yeah, so you can see that it created learn go with tests in the learn go with tests. For today it's fine, but later I will move it up. I will definitely move it up. But to be honest, like, let me actually do it now. So I don't like putting stuff for a later time, because often it doesn't happen. So, oh, no, we cannot do it from here, I don't think so. I want to do it from terminal, so let's actually do git. Let's see. So I'm using Explorer to go to the drive with GitHub stuff, and here I'm going to learning go with tests. So we rename the top folder, and now we take the folder below and we move it out. And we delete the original one and we start Visual Studio Code again. Now I can switch the window and make it probably visible. Let me see. Yeah. So now I want to open folder. Oh, sorry, need to close private stuff. I want to open folder on the D drive. The D drive. Just taking a look at stuff, which will be here, and it will be here, and it will be learn go with tests. Select folder, and now I can make it visible again. Yay! Okay. That's good. Now, if we open preview, Control Shift V opens preview. Okay, Control Shift V, Control B will remove this thing, Control J will open terminal. Now, so this thing, oh, from terminal we can do so much actually. So from here, so you see, go help mod, and it does some commands. So yeah, so we can download, we can do quite a lot of stuff. Okay. So what key says that modules help with dependency management and versions. And yeah, so there used to be something called Go path, but but Control Shift V obviously, but it's not used anymore. So Go mod init creates this stuff. Now, let's see. If only I knew what is linter. I don't. Go linter. Let me quickly check what is Go linter. Okay, Go linter. Oh, actually, do we have a browser in Visual Studio? Okay. So probably there is no like online browser, but I don't know. Oh, oh, there's a plugin. Apparently, there's a plugin which allows to use a browser. Let me see. So that will be about plugins, right? And the plugins we install extensions. This is this thing, Control Shift X. So here we type in browser. Okay. Okay, that will just open stuff, but it won't be inbuilt in like it's not exactly what I want. So maybe next time. View. Okay, that doesn't matter that much. We can close. Okay, so yeah, guys, if you know, because I don't really want to be. Oh, that's Remote Explorer. That's interesting. Okay. Yeah. So let's see. So that's this Golang CLI lint, which is this stuff. So I think that I will actually use the second window as well. So let's see. Okay, so there's something called golinters. And what is a linter? What is linter? Oh, linter is a static code analysis tool. Okay, guys, you deserve better. So let me add second window capture in the for the browser. So okay, and that will be Chrome. And hopefully now yeah, hopefully that's what you see. Let me see how I can move my video over this thing. Yeah, so oh, now you cannot see much. Let me know this way. So yeah, so if you remember, then there was this linter mentioned right here in this thing, and what it actually is, because key doesn't explain it here, maybe I missed something, but what it actually is, it's this thing. Let me. So linter is a static code analysis tool used to flag programming errors, bugs, stylistic errors, and suspicious constructs. So basically, there's something which might be running. So So we can find errors easier. I don't think it's installed on this machine, so let's see. Let's see. To be honest, guys, friends, I'm getting a little bit tired, but we'll see how much I can do. So Control J, and we go here, and here I don't know what will this thing do. So it's not recognized, but we are not. The thing is that we are not on the. We are not on Mac, so I don't have the brew installed. However, I have. I think it's the key. Do I have it? No. I think it's my Sigwin on this machine. So let's start tomorrow from trying to find how to run this thing. But actually it says that there is default linter. So let's not do that for now. Well, let's not do it. Let's focus on learning Go and not this stuff at the moment. Though it's a part of Go, but we'll choose how to do this stuff. So we should know how to do some formatting. Oh, so Go has a formatter which has some standard formatting already preset. If that's what is meant by opionite or whatever, and then the tests as well. Let's see. Okay, so we'll learn as we go. So yeah, so it looks like we have completed our tooling configuration, and tomorrow let's actually see. Yeah, this one is okay. Although to be honest, well, I don't understand what it does, so I will discard changes for now. Now let me think. So if we go to our previous thing, this one. So let's see if we can help our friend in anything, because well, why not? So let's see which issues do they have. So they have, what's that? So it is important to know the test has compiled. Okay. Oh, good, thank you. 7 days, 17 days, like really. Let's see how to find this file. So if we go back to our screen, hopefully you can see now. Okay, so this stuff I don't need. I think it was this. Really? That cannot be. That cannot be. Let me quickly check the path for this stuff. And I think I need 3 screens now. So it will be in arrays and slices MD. So it will be in this area, in this thing actually. So if we click here, you can see that says no results. Oh, interesting. So if I move to my second screen and we go back to our place, this one, and well, oh, it has a PowerShell as well here. Okay. Let's see. Oh, by the way, is it possible to okay, not sure what I did, but the idea was to change color. Okay, and maybe no terminal, Control Shift, and then this thing. Okay, and if I do green one, nothing. Okay, whatever. Where were we? We were at trying to fix something. So he says that, well, okay, let's create a small file here. Oh, yeah. By the way, the project has a really nice YMD, which describes. I will just create a folder for nodes, which will be ignored because I don't really. So .idea, .iml. Well, I don't really want to use .idea, so we'll use .nodes. Okay. Maybe there's some other ways, but I really want something which. So basically, what I need, I want to write some nodes without switching screens, so you guys can see. Sorry, I'm in France. Why I keep switching to friends instead of guys is that guys is, although in many cultures guys is inclusive, even in these cultures it depends, and friends is inclusive, at least at the moment. So as long as friends is inclusive, I'll be using that, and when it stops being inclusive, I'll switch to something which is inclusive, because this stuff is important, and we don't want to lose friends. We don't want to lose friends because we used wrong terminology. Now let's continue. So that will be notes about issue open source access. Okay, and here was this thing. So I don't know how to put a bookmark here like an IntelliJ, but we'll just go with the flow. So longer list tests were already here. So he says it's in blob main arrays and slices md. So I would suggest it's here, but here maybe. I don't see this file. I don't see this file like at all. That's definitely MD. So how do we search for the MD files? Because what we need to find MD files. I don't want to search for code, I want to search for so I want to search for MD files. How do we do that? That's text. That's not what I want. Okay, so that's possible. And we just remove this stuff. No, that's not nice. Can I search for what is this regular? Much whole world, much case. How do we find a file in Visual Code? I have no idea, but I know how to find. That's how you become professional developer. Googling how to find file in Visual Studio. Okay. Control comma and file name. So navigate to. Okay, let me see if that really helps. In the capture, control comma. Oh, how do you get here? Because it was navigate to, but where do you open it from? Navigate to. No, not here. That's interesting. I don't know how to do navigate to except there is Control G, but I don't see this Control Y, Control comma. Okay, whatever. So workspace. No, that's probably it's not what I need. No, I don't think it's what I need. Explorer here. Okay, so you see .md, you just type it here. So that's the one. So here we have that file. This one. Okay, that's not nice. Sorry, it's a neighbor. Okay, I hope. Yeah, I hope this is not being recorded. Well, that's life. One day I'll be living in a house with my family. Yeah, let's see. Where were we? So we got this arrays and slices. So blob and main just refers to this place, right? Okay. Does it mean? Oh, interesting. So here in the Explorer, we can explore in many different ways, right? Right. Good stuff. Array slices, and then in this file there will be this thing. At least it used to be there. And let's see. Well, it used to be here, but let's see. Can we preview this thing? Open preview, Control Shift V. Let's see. Control Shift V, Control Shift V. Now I said Control Shift V. Oh, Control V, just Control V. So in the races and slices there was something. There was some test. Oh, so he was referring. So this friend, he was referring to this thing. me see. So SDBDY. Oh, actually, let's follow him. I think he's like a person to follow. Like really, he's good. Now let's see. So somewhere here there was the oh no thing in the tests, and I cannot find where was it. Try and run the test. Yeah, try and run the test 1. Refactor. What? But here. Oh, no. It's this one. I think it's important. So yeah, if we so basically let me see what you see in a moment. So yeah, so basically I found this place is this one, right? The only thing that if I was doing it, I would probably do it this way. I would copy it from here, and I will mention the I will mention the link. So let's see. So if we go back now, so so is it still? So what's the difference here? So basically he's saying that there are two. It's important to know the test has compiled. Instead of that, we want to note that while the test has compiled, okay, just that. More specific is and let's see if I can take a screenshot. Okay, so we added the screenshot. Let me check that you see it. Yeah, you see it. Now let's see what we can do with this stuff. So basically it says that in the original code they say that the test has compiled. Let me see, let me show you the code. Sorry guys, it's a bit late, even slower than usual. So here there was a preview somewhere. Control Shift V, I think. Come on. Did everything break? Oh, sorry friends. The Visual Studio just closed. Did Control Shift V which killed it? No, it was, well, some kind of a bug, or maybe I pressed something, but it was not intentional. Let me choose the right one. So it's in this one. So originally it was, oh no, it's important to know that the test has compiled. It is a runtime error. Compile time errors. Okay, so they got an error, but the error was a runtime error, so test has compiled. However, if we take a look at what our friend told us in his kind comment, so he says that although basically while the test has compiled, it has, yeah, that's much clearer. That's much clearer, like this I can understand. So we just go here and we'll no, not this file, this one is ignored. I don't want to do this file. Can we please fix this file and is it still like that? Why? I had to git ignore, okay. Oh, so they, what was it? Okay, so if I on that and I on that and I do that, then probably that's okay, that's the git. Now it's the git itself. Okay, that's a small thing. Yeah, that's a small thing. I don't really want to touch git ignore for now. So I will do it this way. Actually, I will just do it this way. But what's the difference? Refresh. Okay. Close others. Close this one. Refresh. Okay. Anyway, so to be honest, we don't need these nodes. I think so. We can just discard. Right. Now it will find those nodes, but we don't need this thing. So just go here and delete. There's no real reason. So basically what I'm doing now is that if I needed this stuff, if I really needed those nodes, then probably I would leave them with the project, but to be honest, it's not a part of the project. It's just some of my thoughts. Oh, and I really hope that you can hear me because, yeah, mic is there. Okay, so mic is definitely there. Yeah, it's there. Oh, this way it works. Okay, cool. So next time I'll be able to. I just learned how they call it, mute the mic. So that's nice. So now if we go quickly to this place, which was something but a race. No, was it a race? No. It was one of the MDs. But which one? Let me quickly check. And in our notes, it said that yeah, in our notes it said that it's arrays and slices. Okay, arrays and slices. Yeah, arrays and slices. Yeah, that's the. Yeah, Control B. So here we will finally copy this thing as our friend suggested. But here we need to do this stuff. And probably to follow in the same. And now let's see what it looks like. So you see, but probably, yeah. And before that it was like, this. Okay, so if I do it like this, and then, oh, I think I didn't switch on the screen, so you cannot see much. Yeah, so basically what I did, I have replaced this line. Quickly we'll go back. So from here, I have changed as it was suggested. So now we have one unsaved file. So probably it doesn't save automatically. Now we'll take this one, but I want to move it to a new branch. And now create branch, and I want to see, so let's open the screen. So it's very important in open source to be nice. Like just yesterday I actually didn't start to work on one open source project because, well, because this open source project was based on some newsletter and there were too many rules for me, and just, well, I don't want to spoil their time, but I don't have much time to spend on following all those complicated rules on that project. So what we wanted to do here is if we go to here, right, and I want to see which branches they have. So so they have a few branches, but which pull requests do they have? I don't want open, I want closed ones, because yeah, so they do it, they call fix, and they do it by, oh, it was probably me. It was actually me, but this one, this is good, I like it. So the way coder Jihao Wang did it, I'm sorry if I pronounced name incorrectly. Yes, so he called it fix type of thing, which I think is yeah, so it's a branch. It's a branch. Don't specifically like it. Well, it's better than, yeah, this is better. It's again me. Sorry. So if that is good, then that's good. So that's us. That's our code. So in our code we can see that actually we have those branches, and we can see that I'm calling them like bugfix slash. So to be honest, it's similar to Bitbucket. Maybe other systems, I don't know. So here we can go to, this one was number 613, and here we will create new branch which will be called, a moment, I'll show you how to do that. So you can see, you should be able to see my Visual Studio now. Let me see how to proceed. Yeah, you should. So here we'll just go to escape. Right click didn't help, but here we can do create branch. So currently we are in the main branch. and we can are we in the main branch? Yeah, so it looks that this thing says that main, but we can check it. We can check it by git status, or maybe git branch. I don't really remember. Yeah, it says on branch main, and if I do git branch, it will say as well. So both status and git branch in branch show us this stuff. Now this one. We create a new branch and we call it bug fix issue. This one, right? Because the issue was 613. Okay. Now this thing, it's a very it's a very good habit, guys, to actually always, like always, and one more time, always, whatever is the cost, make sure files which you are committing, because periodically in your career you'll see that like something which you didn't expect at all, and probably you had reasons to expect, not to expect it, it's being sucked in. So yes, for example, somebody has damaged git ignored file, and now they added the folder which they don't have, but let's say they removed .idea, but they're using Visual Code, so for them it's not a problem. But now you have updated your project with this file, and you are working in IntelliJ IDEA, and now you will commit a ton of stuff which is probably not needed, but to be honest, it depends on organizational policy. So it looks good. It looks good. So now we can take this one. In IntelliJ, it was possible to. Okay. So how do we commit? That's a good question. Commit. From here I understand, but to be honest, it's getting late, so just git status, right? So our file is there. Git git that slices, git status, git commit message, issue, I think it was 613, right? Was it? Yeah, fix, git push, okay, let's see the difference, because so that I will leave for the better day. Like currently I'm tired, I just want to finally do it. Yes, so basically git fetch will update all the branches. All the branches. Git update updates only the one you're working on, if I'm correct. Well, it's a bit more complicated than that, but nice. By the way, we have an update for Go available. Now, let's see what happened. Now, if we go here, now if we go here, then we can see, not here actually, but let's first check that we can see. Yeah, you can see. So now we need to find my project. My project is here, right? So I will create a pull request. So basically pull request is our proposal for stuff to be fixed. So the text has been placed accordingly to okay, how do we okay. Oh, we can just, you see, we can just use this this thing for numbering, and good, and we can actually show what it looks like now, right? Control Shift, Control J, Control B, and let's see, where was this compilation? So the next one is next March. Where was the change? Control F. Space, yeah. So yeah, our code is here. Don't think I really don't like. Why on earth there is a yeah. I don't like that there is no break. I don't know why it's happening this way. So if it was like that, would it be different? No. Any other places where we're using this stuff? So this fixed capacity thing. If I just because I don't know what it looks like in I don't know what it looks like here. What we can do, we can let me see if you can see the sorry guys, you couldn't see the stuff. So basically what I'm saying that if as soon as I make them to go one after another one, it becomes one line, but it becomes one line in the in the Visual Studio, so it might be Visual Studio's problem. So if we go here and we go here, so we can probably see, well, not here, but if we go to our code, right? So our code will has how can, oh, because I'm in the wrong branch, I should be in this branch. In this branch we can find the erase thing here, and we can take a look, and we can know that. Yeah, that's not nice. That's not nice at all. We can Google mg file same line break. Oh, so they say that we should do this thing. Let's try. They say that here, basically if you want a new line to be like new line, you need to put two breaks, two spaces, and then end. Yeah, that's actually good. And here we can do that, and that will probably, to be honest, I'll do it this way now. Yeah. And maybe here I will do like this. Just, well, I don't want to make it worse than it was before. Now we have something to check, because this changes. Oh, but to be honest, I would be expecting this stuff to be here. Oh, I didn't save it. Now I saved it. Now it should be here. Now it should be here. So line formatting has minor changes to think of. Okay, commit. So it says that we should stage, which is as it should be. Oh, so that's how it works. So probably I could do it some other way. And now we can commit. Okay, and now we can sync. I assume it will be push. Yeah, so yeah, there was a pop-up window from the operating system. And now if we open our browser, we will see here that, well, we should be able to see here that this file has changed. Yeah, the file has changed, and it's actually not that bad. Okay. Now, it would be nice to do this thing. So we take this stuff, and yeah, I'll quickly modify it in my the thing I have. Okay, so we'll just put two images. It will be before the fix, after the fix. Okay, and before the fix it will be easy, because all we have to do is to go here, we switch to the main branch. We type this no thing. Oh, that's wrong. It shouldn't. It should be this one. Arrays and slices. Oh no. So yeah. And I modify this one as well. So not to modify, just to like show how it was and how it is. Okay. So is there a preview or whatever? Let me see. Oh, here. So yeah, it was like that, and it became like that. And we are creating pull request from my branch to the main branch of yeah, of his stuff. Create pull request, and we create pull request, and you can see that actually today is not a very bad day, because we have a contribution. We created a pull request. That's nice. Yeah, and also I wanted to thank G-Research, my sponsor. They help me to. It's an amazing company. They support me. So yeah, and that really inspires me. And this is amazing company. But this is G-Research, OSS. But what you should look for is actually this one. So search for all of GitHub, and maybe G-Research is that. 1 second. Topics. G-Research GitHub. It will be faster this way. Yeah. So friends, especially if you're into data science and stuff, you really would like to follow G-Research repos. I will. I mean, I'm already doing that stuff. Let's check how much they have in Go. Oh, Armada is in Go. That's amazing. So that would be nice. Yeah. So basically that's it for today. So I wish you all good to have a good day, a good night, whatever, and stay safe and live long and prosper. And let's do some Go.